In this video, we will learn to move file from source path to destination. We will use shutil module and its function move to move from source to destination. First, we need to import shutil module. Import shutil. Then I'm gonna do shutil.move. Need to give the source path. I will create a new file. Just write some line in it. And save it in my root folder and name it readme.txt. I need to give the complete path of root and then the name readme.txt and the destination path where I want to move this file. I will save it in desktop and print a message. File is moved. All moved. Save it. To just make sure that I have readme in my root directory, we can list it. You can open a terminal and do list command. We can see we have readme before running this program. Now I can run my script mo.py. So I'm gonna do python mo.py. It says file move. I'm gonna do ls again. We don't see readme over here, so it should be moved to desktop. So I'm gonna change it to desktop and gonna do ls. We can see it's moved the readme to this folder. This way you can move one file from one location to another. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.